Hi, my name is Adrian Vega. I drove out here from Paris, California. I highly recommend this class with Shane. It's a lot to talk about this class, man. I started doing this because I have my own clientele. I mean, I'm a barber, and people started, asking me. My own clients started asking me about suggestions or what I think about to help them, make their scalp look more full. And now I have another service to offer, so I highly recommend this class. It's really cool. Shane's a good guy, really chill. I mean, it's only 3 days, but as soon as you walk in, everything is hands-on. The only thing he told me is come ready, and I came ready, and yeah, we got everything going on. Everything, I liked everything about it. As soon as we walked in, we have our live models, so it was pretty awesome.